And guys, got this dishwasher here, and don't worry about the flicker. That's just because it's digital. But if you have child lock on and it locks you out of your options over here and over there, what you have to do is I'm going to show you what you do. Hang on. Your breaker box and look on the sheet and find dishwasher and find the breaker and flip it back and forth. Okay, just that breaker. Over here it's the second one down, this one right here. Flip it back and forth. Way your child lock will come off and you can start your dishwasher and it'll be unlocked. I just wanted to show you today, so please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. Bye for now.